Hi Jordan, so this is Sean. Gonna walk through the machine, show you all the moving parts so you can confirm that it's operating correctly. So first we'll start with the hand wheels here. So yeah, see, hand wheels are working fine. Moving the cross slide. Then we have the rapid. That's fully functional as well. We have the 4-tool indexer, which works as well. And then the spindle. Spindle's working, as well as you saw a little bit of the coolant come out there. So the coolant pump as well. Yep. Yeah, so the spindle can still go up to the 2,500 miles per hour without issue. Yeah, both forward and reverse. So if you have any other questions or want to see any of the other functionality, just email me back and I'll show you what I can do. Thank you.